Every mistake comes at a cost. Hours, days, weeks lost.
I overslept. I was running late. I didn't have time to make coffee.
This rainstorm never ends. I don't know what to do.
My phone is dead.
Even when it's sunny, it's raining.
Can't lose focus. I can't take a break.
It's only getting worse. It's flooding now.
Drops of sweat merge with the ink on my notes. There's too many numbers. I feel like I'm in a storm.
Man, nothing's going right. I feel like I'm in a storm. It's so hot.
Why are you sweating so much, man? It looks like you need some peace in the storm.
Do you need some peace in the storm? Come with me to church camp.
Sounds like you need some peace in the storm. Yeah. Maybe you should go to church camp this year. Okay. Let's go.
Man, I don't get it. Was I supposed to drop the 2? Supposed to carry the 2? I just don't get it. Oh, I get it. I should find peace in my storm. I should go to church camp. And you should too. August 8th through 11th.